Okay, so I presented the paper on discourse analysis and newspaper advice column last December 18. And to give you a short background on what the study is all about, this study investigated the feminist voice revealed in the advice transaction column Women's World, Sunday issues of Sunstar Daily newspaper. This is a local newspaper here in Cebu, Philippines. The study focused on societal roles of women advice seekers and as advice givers, and also the social psychological thematic issues involved in the advice column. The results show that women face particular and complicated obstacles in life and play a variety of roles in society. Their varied experiences have revealed insightful facts, such as that women worry about things like their weight and appearance, matriarchal obligations, relationships, and career goals, among other things. These problems provide as an example of the intricate and varied difficulties that women encounter in daily life. Also, the study found that women who seek guidance have a number of social psychological issues that represent the worries and difficulties they face in their daily lives, including psychological issues, relationship infidelity, family troubles, commitment, uncertainty, and professional obstacles. The study also emphasized the significant contribution that women have as advice givers in newspaper advice columns. Women offer guidance in a range of subjects such as family problems, romantic relationships, and raising kids. And lastly, the study highlighted the importance of women's support and guidance of others and the necessity for support systems that empower women to have fulfilled lives. One of the challenges is the time, since I am a full-time professor here in our university. Preparing for classes for the different courses demands really more time. Hence, I have to juggle my time prioritizing teaching and at the same time doing research despite the very hectic schedules. But because I really love research, I make sure that I can really finish my research before the given deadline. This advice is really based on my experience back when I was still a newbie in research. Find a research mentor. Find a research mentor who is very passionate and dedicated to help you grow as a researcher. Having a good research mentor when I started this research journey was a big help. And through her valuable comments and insights, I am now able to do research on my own. Through her mentorship, I am able to slowly build my confidence in myself as a researcher. This is actually my first time that I have attended the Social Science and Humanities Research Association International Conference. And I find it a very intimate one. And because it is an intimate one, the participants were able to do lively interactions after each research presentation.